Hi guys, I'm Captain Salsa and I will give you the information how we can create good posture for a dance. Good and active posture can be precise during the dance. But at the beginning, do not forget subscribe and like and share. Guys, do you think so that you have to create the posture with this pattern which you probably know, the push chest, yeah, like that? But you are not soldier. You must be active for something, for surprise, because it's a dance. I'm so angry if somebody will block you with this pattern, up and chin up. You are a dancer who dance with the partner, and this energy is so close. Why? You have to create good, active, positive energy. Wear the corset and squeeze your ribcage, your muscle here. This is important, but still your hips must be relaxed. Yeah, this is so important. Find the point below, yeah, here, yeah, here, and just a bit squeeze, feel this point, plus squeeze the ribcage, wear the corset, and this is good position. Next, just, this is the trick, smell something and you will create elegant position. You will be much more elegant. You will be prepared for a dance. You will create positive energy, like me right now. Yeah. Look at me. I will sit. Now my hips are in natural position. Yeah. Give me a second. Yeah. Now I will create the position push forward and I feel so hectic, I feel bad energy. Now when I have very relaxed hips in natural position, I can move, I can feel, then squeeze ribcage, wear the corset, smell something, then I feel the point below my belt, yeah, there's a bit squeeze, feel. Now I'm more active, I'm ready to the move, just like that. Feel free to ask and see you next time. Bye bye.